Guys, it's what 5:30 in the morning. We're standing on a road. Literally, there's no light. You can't even see Navya. Hi, Navya. Just got an auto. We're going. We're in the auto. Hi. It's 6:30, you guys. Sun is just rising. We're thinking we'll just like check in and go to the beach and see the sunrise. Because I think we can go now in 20 minutes, 10 minutes. We are in the Coconut Tree Resort. I'll show you once there's light. Now it's not there. We're just waiting for the guy to open the door. We reached way too early. We were supposed to reach at 6:30 near the bus stop. Reach the hotel. Look at this suitcase. This is my new suitcase. I bought it yesterday. Literally, I trust Amazon so much. After we decided we'll go on a trip, I ordered day before yesterday night, and it came yesterday evening. And I packed it and I put this in the bus. Now it looks like an old suitcase. Like it is so dumb, dusty. So we are going to see the sun rising. It is already finally morning. Oh. Little cute puppy. We reached the point. So damn beautiful. Look at that. It's so funky. It's beautiful. So this is the point we reached. Now we are sitting there. She's a daredevil, which I cannot do that. I'm just standing a little far. It's like that side there's nothing. On camera it's not getting captured, bro. But literally that side is like nothing. Great. Try to sit down. I'm scared to sit down. Odduma. Is this east?
I have no idea.
Then why did you get us here? It's not sunrise here.
Not there. See, it side when sunrise can be this.
We came to see the sunrise, but apparently this is west and that side is east, and we don't have a beach on that side. So this is only basically like sunset point, but still it's so beautiful. So basically how we got here is we came by bus and we took a bus till Ankola. So basically it's a Mangalore bus and there's a stop only, which is there until Ankola, and from Ankola you have a bus to Gokarna. But the thing is, we reached so early. We reached 5:30. It was pitch dark. You must have seen the clip already. So there was auto. Actually the driver was sweet enough, so he dropped us from Ankola to Gokarna, like a point where there are autos, etc. So from there we took an auto and we came.
But generally, it costs us 30 rupees.
From there to here? Bus, acha. Oh, so there's no other means, like there's no cab or anything, only auto or bus. So basically the bus was going to come at 7 o'clock and we got done at 5:30 and it was dark, like pretty dark, only we were two girls. So, oh, by the way, this is my first girls trip. I never went on a trip where there was no guy. This is the first time I realized yesterday and I was telling her this is the first girls trip. Oh my god, I can't believe it. They think girls do so much drama, but boys do so much more drama than girls, really. And first time I'm without boys, very nice.
Welcome to the other side.
Yeah, really, welcome to the other side. He literally got us in 10 hours. We started at 6:30 and we reached there at like 5:30. Literally, like so quickly we came. And now we're staying at a resort called Coconut Tree Resort. Look at this. So cute. Oh, there's one here. They're too thick. There's one more there also.
Clarity has to be really
simple. This is 2.5. That's the reason I bought 12 Pro Max. Only because of the zoom I bought. Because that's the only difference in the camera between 12 and 12 Pro Max. So cute. I just hope it doesn't come to me. Until then I'm fine. Yeah, that side is sunrise. So we're just sitting in the opposite side. So yeah, basically if you have to come to Gokarna, you don't have to go to Bangalore and then come to Gokarna. One of the guys she met here told her the way he came to Gokarna was to come to Bangalore and then come to Gokarna because there's no direct bus to Gokarna. So you have to come to Ankola and then take a bus from or auto, whatever you want, till Gokarna. It's like 10 kilometers from
10-15 kilometers from Ankola.
So that's how you come to Gokarna.
We have a bus for every 30 minutes.
After 7.
Yeah.
So
This is my first time, without taking a bus.
but you always reached at 7 o'clock.
Yeah,
She came
7,
4 or
7:30.
5 times here. It's my
I think
first
this is
time
my
here.
fifth or sixth.
Yeah, that's it. This is my first time here. We are going to another beach. We are going to Kudle beach. The other one we were is Gokarna beach. There's a dog there. I hope it doesn't bark at us. I can hear waves. So, what were you telling, by the way? Repeat again.
So it is expensive, but it is a process of healing and all stuff and all that.
So
So
they
they'll
teach
take you
you.
in for 10 days అట్లా తీసుకొని then హిందూ అంటే పీస్ కోసం అంతే.
If anybody wants healing, come here. Navya wants to go there.
One day.
Navya, what healing do you want? Please tell me.
I just want like healing అంటే it's not exactly healing, but the routine will be there. Morning yogas, evening yogas, they'll be providing food, nice
If
food.
they send me, no, if they take me, my half body also won't bend inside. They'll be like, we'll not take you, go, get out from here. Navya does yoga very properly, by the way, so flexible with girls. Whenever somebody says flexible, I remember Indian matchmaking. The girl should be very flexible. Navya is very flexible for all the people who are searching for a girl.
Not that way.
Navya got me to Gokarna because she said Gokarna is the silent version of Goa. So this is such a random plan. This girl was going to go on her own, okay? And she booked everything. She booked her stay, she booked her bus. And randomly she called me and she asked, do you want to go to Gokarna? Like, we have to start tomorrow. And today evening she's calling me and she's asking me. And then I had no hope that my dad is going to send. But I was like, okay, let me try. Like, let me see if he's going to send me. And then he did. Like, great, I'm coming. Then I called her, I told her I'm coming. Then she cancelled her tickets and she booked together. I could never come alone, bro. You have too much guts to do this. You went to North also, no? Alone for treks and all.
I went to this what is it called? Himalayan trek.
You went to Himalayan trek alone?
Yeah. There's no other
My
option.
parents won't listen. Even if I have like guts to go, my parents won't send me, bro. They'll be like, you don't have to go anywhere. I come with you. Have you ever seen Goa beach this empty? But this is nice. This is Gokarna because this is Kudle beach. We have a friend. Hi, friend. Friend is here to do her susu potty and doing is behind us. Please go away, friend. I'm a little scared. Don't come to me. Don't come to me. His friend has some other friends. Please go for it. Friend, please go away, friend. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Arey, it's doing potty. No, acha, thank you. Go. Bye bye. Please take your friends with yours. Look at how they're standing behind us. Are they guarding us, protecting us from anything? Thank you so much. They started fighting. I'm going from here. Why they randomly started fighting? I think boy troubles. Too many boy troubles even between cows. What is this behavior, cows? Friends are going to negotiate, but they're not ready to listen. Oh, why are these fighting? These are best friends of those best friends. That's why they are fighting. See, that beach wali is the girl or whoever that is who's trying to be like, calm down, guys. What is the problem? We're staying at this resort. This is Coconut Tree Resort. There's a lot of coconut trees. I could not be more lame, bro. So this is our room. I wanted to show you guys before we mess it up. This is a tiny room. This is a bed. This is the thing. We can walk out. So let me wash my didn't see. This is the washroom. So it's an independent like cottage type of thing, more than enough for 2 people. We just had a breakfast. Let's get ready and we are going where today?
Yana Caves and
Yana Caves and Vibhuti Falls. But they said Vibhuti Falls is not accessible. So let's see. Okay, guys, all freshened up. I just took bath, did little makeup. I'll just show you my OTD. I'm just wearing a white bodysuit, this polka dot skirt, which is super cute, and some white chappal. I have a bag which I'll carry it, that's also white. So this is super cute, super comfortable for the day. The auto is here. We are going to go now. There's only two ways to go there. I think one is, like, of course, if you have a car, you can go in a car, or else an auto or a bike. So we didn't want to drive for so long. It's around like 70-80 kilometers from here, so we didn't want to drive for so long. So we hired an auto, and the auto is waiting for us. I couldn't even do my hair, bro. Like, the power got cut right before I wanted to straighten my hair, so both of us couldn't straighten. She's wearing quads from Navya Dachipalli herself. You can buy it, DM her to buy it. The auto is caged. Caged in the auto. There's no hair. This is how the auto. No pollution. Forgot my clutch in the bus. Bye.
20 rupees ki you're giving 500 now.
Yeah, because I don't have change. Thank you. You have to take souvenirs for pen.
Yeah, we'll do that on Monday.
Navya gifted me this ring. Basically, I stole from her. She got this from West Side. 199. She got so many things yesterday for 199. She can't stop talking about it.
This is for 99, bro, not 199. This complete set is for 99.
So let's. She got all these rings for 99 in West Side. Apparently, they're really good sales in West Side and really good items in West Side. She got 4 pairs of chappal for 199. Basically 199 each. So if you want to go check it out, then go check it out. She's also vlogging. She's also a YouTuber, by the way. Naya Looks. It's called Naya Looks. It'll be in the description. You can check it out.
I think I want to change my name.
Right? But Navya is also new only, right? So Naya is kind of, I mean, Abhi it's random. You cannot change it. Because your label is already Navya Dachpalli, no? So if you again make your username also Navya Dachpalli, it will be very confusing. It will be very confusing. That's another point. I'm smart, bro. You should take.
Sure.
Okay.
How much should we walk? How much should we walk?
10 minutes at Monday.
To walk for 10 minutes?
Yes.
Oof. My gym over.
Done for the day. I don't think you want to visit the Yana place.
Why?
Adi kuda walk untadi.
No, then I don't want to go.
And the local allow cheyadu evening time. Just no cave చూసేస్తా అంతే.
Acha, then light, bro. Let's go out. Matlab,
We can at least
go to the beach. What did you make me do just now? She fell down. She made me fall down. We came from that side to this side. So, first of all, I'm scared of water. We fell down right there.
you know how to swim and I don't know.
So whatever it is, I don't have clothes now, but I'm still very scared because every time I go in water, I slip. Even Khirganga, I fell down.
How now?
We're done. We're going back. We're going to eat. We didn't eat lunch. This girl told me don't have heavy breakfast because we'll have lunch. So I had upma for my breakfast, and now it's 4 o'clock and she didn't tell me that there's not going to be lunch here. I thought there'll be lunch here, like normal, restaurant or something. And the auto, she tells me no, there's no lunch there now.
No, we're going back. We're gonna have nice food now.
But it's already 4 o'clock. My hunger came and went also. So we had chips on the way. She had nicely omelette, puri, ice cream, everything she had. Making me not eat. Came back to the beach. We were in today morning. This is the Kudle beach. Kudle, if you don't know how to pronounce it, it sounds like cuddle. Like the spelling is like cuddle. Cuddle beach. There should be a beach, it's only for cuddles. Should go and cuddle with you. My hair is so gone because I was in the auto. And my hair is also gone. Bro, it's like literally hard rock. We travel in the auto for 70 up and 70 down. Our hair is gone, our face is gone, everything is gone. To go take a shower. It's almost 6 o'clock. We are having lunch now. I'll remind this forever. I'll remember and remind her every time. You didn't make me eat food. We ordered garlic naan, mixed veg, rice, dal, sizzler, and it's almost done. We came for breakfast finally, and we are at Mantra Cafe. So this is a hostel Navya used to stay in before. You stayed here, no? So each thing, how many people stay?
These things are cottages.
So that one is the hostel. That blue one.
This complete one is hostel, but these are cottages.
Okay.
Inside we have dorms.
Acha, acha. This is Mantra Cafe's view. I got pancakes and orange juice. Navya's didn't come yet. So these are the literally I love pancakes, but these are the three things I don't like. Chocolate flavor, banana. I hate banana. I hate banana. I can never like banana. As a kid, I always hated it. Even till date, I hate banana. I don't know. I don't like banana. I like pancakes, sada pancakes with whipped cream and maple syrup. We're having chapati and chicken. What is this? Mushroom kaju. Chapati, and we had a little bit of rice as well. Last night, after we returned from beach, like we had our lunch at 6 o'clock. After that, we didn't do anything. We were super tired. So we were just chilling, drinking a little bit, eating, and then I dozed off around like 10:30. She also slept around 11:30 or something. And then we woke up and went for breakfast. Literally nothing we did last night. We were super tired. I don't know why, and we just slept. Like I literally came on this trip to just sleep, I think. So, but we just came back now. We're thinking we'll get ready, click some pictures because the view like here is and some really nice. I want to do some reels also. So let's see how that goes. What did you do? Madam forgot to carry makeup on a trip and she's trying to match my foundation with hers. What is this behavior? Sure? I think that can work a little bit compared to the other things.
I'm using this.
Who forgot makeup? How can you forget makeup when you come on a trip? Why did you get makeup? I just did my makeup. My makeup looks very nice. So we're going to wear sarees from Navya Tajpalli and make a couple of reels. I have a couple of reels for other outfits, but hopefully we'll have time to shoot that. It's already 5:30. Sunset is at 6:15. So we have to shoot before that. Just wore the blouse and I'm sitting. I'm waiting for her so that she can tie my saree. She's always late. She's like my other friend. My other friends are also always late. Same like that. Why do we get always late people in my life?
Late, Galu. You are getting ready early.
After the sun goes, what will we do? So I hope you can see this saree. I'm wearing this like ruffle saree from Navya's brand. Really pretty, really cute. Hey, where are you? She's very comfortable in saree and I don't wear sarees. I think this is literally, I can count the number of times I wore saree, you know, Navya. It's not even 10. My whole life.
10 times.
Yeah, I don't even think I wore. I think this is the 10th time or something. So we're planning to shoot here.
You will do it here only.
We'll do it here only, but doggy friends. Hi doggies. Oh, you so cute. Hi. Please don't come close by, but I'm very scared. I like you from a distance. What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to know where you got your OOTD.
Achha, I already told you. You tell me, where's your OOTD from? This top
from
west side, shorts are from?
Shorts are from west side and this, I don't remember. Reliance.
We are fans. Where is
And
shop?
west side,
West side
west
again.
side.
Where is bag from?
Zudio.
Where's
And
the
those are from
specs
Navya Tajpalli.
self-promotion. Where's
See?
the tripod from? That's mine.
Amazon,
yeah. These stupid dogs stole my rubber band. Hello dogs, where are my rubber band? Where is my rubber band? Where are my rubber band? Can you please give my rubber band back? They took my scrunchie. And they're not giving it back. I only have one rubber band for this entire trip. Now I don't have rubber band. I don't know how to tie my hair. They took my scrunchie. We gave them a whole packet of biscuits, by the way. Like the entire packet there, full of Marigold big biscuits they gave. Still they wanted to steal my scrunchie. Unfaithful. Dogs supposed to be faithful, no? So unfaithful. Now we are taking me to places which are so shady. We just walked all that, like literally all that. And what is this, bro? Look at this. I cannot even say anything. She'll make me cry.
No.
The cafe is here. That's the beach, by the way. There's the beach. You need to walk. There's nothing very like remote. No, this is the cafe. We'll go now. So those things are more far. Imagine, see the green light. You're thinking it's close by. You can see, na? They're very, very far. Now I want to go to that cafe, which my phone cannot even zoom into. Let's go here. We are in this place. We are at this restaurant, whatever it is called. We're going to order food. That is the beach.
So Akanksha just found bones in her
Chili chicken. Chili chicken. Chili chicken. Chili chicken is supposed to be boneless. Like at least basically most of the starters of chicken are supposed to be boneless. We're on the swings. So we ordered pizza and tacos, and this is what we got for tacos. What do you say about it?
It's called puri, not taco.
Literally puri, bro. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat the rice. Exactly. How do we eat the rice? It's what do we eat the rice? But that is the pizza. I'm just going to try it. Pizza is good.
Funny, na? I like it.
So we asked that guy for glass. It'll be glowing, bro, forever. You're taking video only, no?
I'm taking video.
So last night. That is less funny. So last night we asked him for beer, and he gave us this. And he was insisting on taking these glasses. We didn't realize why, because last night we didn't have. So funny, no?
Hey guys, it is the last day here. Basically, we're returning back tonight. I just woke up, it's 9 o'clock. Waiting outside. I did my poopy thing and waiting outside. Now we're taking a bath. We're getting ready a little early. We literally did nothing on this trip and it was amazing. We just came to relax in a new place and actually, kind of really liked how this trip went. So good, and I really needed to get away from home because I was like in those four walls since the 8-9 months. Yeah, anyway, we're going to have breakfast, do a little photo shoot, and then go to Om Beach, like pack everything and go to Om Beach so that once we return, we can just like take our bags and leave. So that is the plan for today. Well, I'm just sitting outside the cottage. So basically, this is our room. You come outside. I'm sitting on this chair, and this is the view. We are staying in the Cotton Tree Resort. Got ready for Om Beach. This is the OOTD for today. Again, the Shein bag. This is from Kapshi. The bralette is from Amazon. And that is me. I'm wearing again that same white chappal. I'm good to go. The auto is waiting. There's the beach. Om Beach. Why does every beach smell so bad when you come initially?
Actually, initially, it smells the same the entire time.
That's what we get used to it. Where's Namaste Cafe? We're going to Namaste Cafe. Oh, this one is named Namaste Cafe. Namaste Cafe. There hai na bro Namaste Cafe.
Sit that side.
Yeah. What are you going to have? I look very grey because I have sunscreen on and nothing else. It's too bright, bro. I cannot handle this. For breakfast, she ordered what? Pineapple juice?
And chocolate pancakes.
I ordered plain pancakes and orange juice. Plain pancake is good, but you're supposed to give whipped cream and maple syrup or it's meh. But they don't have it, so I'm just having it like this. What is this? Banana inside? Oh my god. I don't like banana. We're in the same place and we're continuing lunch also. And that is jeera rice and mixed veg chicken fried rice. She ordered pasta also, which did not come yet. And I'm sure we're going to waste this because she's not going to figure. I'm sure. Okay, we'll see the after clip of this. Cut. That is all she ate, guys. Her pasta didn't even come because by mistake that guy didn't take the order and she said she'll finish everything. Her rice is there, her curry is there. Her pasta didn't even come. Finish. Hello, madam.
We have time.
We don't have time. Successfully wasted that rice and we took parcel of the sabzi. We are so lazy. We've been sitting here since 3 hours. I don't want to go anywhere. I look so exhausted and dead. I have to go. We have to catch a bus in the evening. Look at me, bro. I look like I didn't take bath for 100 years. So humid. We came here. There were some chutias calling us. They're sitting right there. I don't want to show, but teasing is everywhere. They're extremely drunk, extremely disgusting. But they're calling us, so we just came onto this side. We are all set. We got ready. We took our blankets, everything, food, ice cream, whatever, and we're ready. We were so, ready to go for a picnic up there. We thought we'll watch the sunset, and it started raining. We're waiting for the rain to stop, but there's sun also, so hopefully I can see rainbow somewhere. Why, bro? Why? It's raining. It's raining. Please stop raining. Rain is gone. We are going to the picnic. Achha. Finally reached. I'm out of my breath. This point, and it's so beautiful. We were waiting for the rainbow because it rained and it's finally here. We're seeing from such a crazy view. We're leaving and we're saying bye. Bye, Gokarna.
Back soon.
We'll be back soon. Yeah. Bye bye to this view. I don't know. Last meal in Gokarna before we take our bus. Hi, Navya, do you want to go? No. What is this? Alright guys, I'm back home and the COVID test is also done. I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very random trip. I already said this a number of times, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little random vlog of Gokarna and my new year. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.